Happy October! This is a time period when lots of people like to celebrate crocktober and make crockpot meals and soups. So grab your crock. We're making maple-glazed meatballs. We need 1.5 cups of ketchup, 1 cup of maple syrup, 1/3 cup of soy sauce, a tablespoon of quick tapioca, 1.5 teaspoons of allspice, and a teaspoon of dry mustard. Give it a stir. Carefully add some frozen meatballs. It says to use 2 bags, 48. And a can of drained pineapple chunks. Slowly stir that together. And this will get cooked on low for 5 to 6 hours. Meatballs. That tastes good. It's like a combination of sweet and savory. It works great together. It's very similar to those grape jelly meatballs or those cranberry sauce meatballs I've made before. It's yet another fun thing you could take to a party. I accidentally sent flowers to my friend over the internet. Whoops! E-daisies!